Good morning and happy Sunday. It is June 1st, which is crazy, and it's also our next Cars and Coffee event. After some unexpected and unfortunate news of canceling the last event, we are back, so let's get to Gost. How's it going? Not too bad. Quite the lineup you gentlemen have.
Hi, I'm Mike.
I'm Eric. Oh, jeez.
I just convinced the other guy that's over there to move over.
Yeah, I am behind for the day. Oops, excuse me.
How's it going?
Hey. You guys are rock and rolling? All right, sir. Yeah, I'll just make it easy. Actually, can I get a cold brew? Yeah.
Okay. Easy peasy.
Yeah. Yeah. You on the bike today?
Yeah, the MG won't start.
Oh, geez. Sorry. Damn.
Still work perfect.
Yeah.
So
I should have worn the shorts.
When I realized that they were gone, how's it going? I was like, fuck.
Oh, that's.
I asked him to do something like that.
Dude, we can't even know it's that guy.
And he looks for 20 minutes.
Oh,
I know. Holy cow.
Yeah, right, dude. He looks amazing. I mean,
It's on camera too.
oh.
You said you're looking amazing. Yeah.
Good to see you.
Oh.
And there's only 2 cars.
Yeah, it's you and him.
Hi,
Guys, back with more cars, huh?
yeah.
Thanks for coming by.
It's going.
Good, how are you guys?
Great. I collected some more cases while I was.
So you just buy this for yourself and then just have these
I just have all these extras.
so you just what
What
kind
happens
of
when he has adult money and he gets bored?
that's fair. So what do you just kind of pick the ones that you want and then
So every real car, and hold on to it for 20 years.
what's wrong with that?
Might as well just go
Why
big
can't
the
I
first time.
why can't I have
Then you'll
multiples?
have 20 years to pay it off.
Why can't I have multiples like Jacob?
Because you don't have the room.
Neither does Jacob.
You now. You got room for cars? I got room. Oh, you want to buy a Mazda?
Nope.
Why not?
Nope.
I got a really nice RX-7. Yeah.
Are you?
Your name on it.
Are you? Why?
Because it's nice to be able to put the kids in the back seat and go for a cruise. And I can't do that with the Mazda.
You don't want to keep.
Mazda
You
just-
can't keep both of them.
I never see it, man. Because already parking outside now.
Get a 4-post in the third bay. Where is it?
The Oscar Mayer wiener. I like gotta get your guys' snappers out too, because you guys are freaking everywhere I go, and I'm like, I see you guys, everyone's riding together somewhere.
I still got to clean the Subi up before I do a track day. I'm not confident that it's not going to like leak oil or have an issue. I don't want to go on a track day with a leaky valve cover.
I think that's the least of your worries.
I actually just saw something that cylinder 4 like coolant mod is actually not as good as people say that it is.
I don't even know what that is.
There's some, I don't know, someone.
Run an actual Mac.
Did you ever meet this lady here with the Really?
Every time he sees Max, he just yells at him.
Does he know?
Max touched it, like he went to go look in the interior. So he put his hands on like the sills, and then he's like, "Don't touch it." So now Max just keeps going.
I mean, it's quick enough for what it was.
This lady, it's a manual M3.
Is that the BMW lady?
Yeah, and then she's got the clown shoe.
Nice.
And then I think she dailies like a M240.
I think at a track day, the least of your worries is your car.
What does that mean?
I think that the driver's skill level is going to inhibit you from a lot of things.
That's really kind of you.
You're welcome.
I don't think it is. Oh, it might be actually. Actually, I think. Is this yours? I love it.
This Viper is awesome.
Thank you.
Every single time I saw you guys coming out, I ran over. I love seeing this.
Thank you.
I'm a sucker for the Gen 5s.
Yeah, the guy that we bought it off of, he had a Gen 2, and he did custom, one-on-one.
Uh-huh.
And he has it on his custom by his name, and for this one, he decided to put custom by me. So it's like everything. The model that comes with it, the cover that comes with it, it all says custom by me, and by the glove compartment.
Is this a ACR or just has Aero stuff on it?
Just says Aero.
Okay. I mean, not that it's just, but I was just curious. Oh, Chris today.
Oh, nice.
All right, let's keep going so I don't get.
Eric wants to get a picture of ours before it's too late.
Yeah, we were laughing about that, Eric. I don't care.
Yeah.
We're gonna go take a ride over there today to check the mailbox because we're in fucks with our freaking mail.
Yep.
And we got an app.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
See ya.
Bring the bike.
Yeah, right over here.
We got.
Another narrow body?
Yep. Wow. I still love those M3s.
Isn't this your year?
Yeah. This is my favorite.
Yeah. You made it.
Let's go this next row. I want to get a quick clip of that other S4.
Oh yeah, a great one.
Yeah. Did you ever meet that guy? Oh yeah.
I think so. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I've met him.
It's like yours, huh?
It's a newer one.
License plates on it too.
Yep.
Is this? Oh yeah, then the dude I used to work out with.
Yeah, what is his name?
His real name is Ray.
Ray, that's it.
Yeah, he's got a black S5 like your year.
Yeah, yeah.
See the guy you catched up on 30 with the white car?
Yeah.
He's looking at it, just trying to catch up. I was right behind me. He's looking at the car. He's looking at the car.
Yeah.
What a difference in car.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's crazy, wasn't it? Yeah, there was a white A4, same year as mine, coming down 30. He was like swerving traffic, trying to catch up to us.
You saw him
He
buzz
just
by
bought
and
it. He had a template on
and he's looking at it. He's pointing. Look at this thing. Like two different worlds.
Yeah. It's a stock base model A4 versus a highly modified S4. It's two totally.
Good.
Heard about the whole debacle with
Oh, yeah.
2 weeks ago, man.
Yeah, how's it going? We got it sorted, but yeah, that was a whole little debacle. How are you?
How's things otherwise?
Good.
Good.
Staying busy, trying to make this better when I have a free minute and
Bike spot, because there were people that had to take parking spots and park over there.
yeah, I gotta try to figure that out. Now that the bikes are starting to, I kind of like that you guys are here. I don't know if this is convenient for you guys or not.
Oh,
but,
it's easy, yeah.
But I do kind of like that this is turning into like the bike area. But I have noticed that there's more and more bikes coming, so we gotta figure something out. Now you're on POV camera.
He's a vlogger.
Yeah.
Those were given to us too.
Who refuses?
No, I'm not buying anything.
No, the car's paid off. I'm refusing.
For the entire event.
Oh, see, I get here early, I stay late. I'm just a work machine.
That's why you
for
are
you.
the heavy hitter. Thanks for coming. Later. Yeah.
Eddie's very angry.
Third.
I used 2016 Escalade. Those are good. That's good gear.
Hey, see you, bud. What's up, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Too. My girlfriend, Brittany.
And just like that, another Cars and Coffee is in the books. I'm gonna have to do a brief recap. Today was beautiful. The weather was great. I don't know why, but in my head it wasn't gonna be that big of a show. It was a great turnout. Now we are headed to work. Gotta go show